Menteri Rangba Kajella u Conrad ki sangma henne kasngi tho dieng ulap lepat ba iaka jaka pynmih yaki LED bulb hapo kasnong hawa khana Tura West Garu Hills. Iaka ni ka karkhana pynmih LED bulb bala penyat da ka GHE Impact Ventures Private Limited la ai jingkershan da ka sorkar jella haba ai jingkran ha ka jingple iaka ni ka project nakalyang Menteri ulaong ba ka jingseng iaka ni ka karkhana kadai ka maujam baningkong ha ka bayadai bat ka jing pynmih boarding kabam kta ya kamaryang ngila penslur bat persyang ban penne pensa yaki saudong saukun lingba ka jing pynmih ya ka boarding kabakhuat kabam dan jingkta ong u Conrad da ka ba penpau ba ka ni ka karkhana LED Tura kadairu ka baningkong hajella bat ya ka ba annang penyar shushu syaki weipat ki jaka nalor kata ulakin turu yaki paidbah bakin pendan kam yaki mar bala pynmih hi najella kabakin thop haki tanat rekam ka sorkar kilong yeng longsem bat ki weipat khnang ban penslor ye kinong sang trai jella kiladan hadu prapusan ngut ki shenrang bat kenthai Meghalaya dan benta ha kani ka GHE Impact Venture hapo ka karkhana pynmih yaki LED bulb.
Only distributed material for a new village.
Today itself we have distributed material to one of the villages. And at Stone wise we have done so far 69,000. That has covered around 40.
Them say what they have to say about the experience.
And it is still just an open board. So far we have electrified almost.
Somebody from Calcutta cannot come all the way here.
Yes, exactly.
So we're planning that in all districts, sir. And this is the electrical maintenance machine.
Yeah.
Recommend you put on the sunglasses. You get too bright. And if I switch this on, this is it. So every bulb is tested for minimum of 2 hours to ensure that there is no wear and tear.
Quality is maintained.
Yes, sir. We want to do that as well. So this is part of the process. These are the anti-static bands that everyone wears while working in the machine. Someone has done classes as well. So it's not just people who can not have proper education, but people who have proper education as well. There's a separate testing area, which also does the work for. We are still waiting on this BIS number to launch it. So right now we're starting with 9 watt bulb, but ultimately we want to do this is
Everywhere in all DC offices and all the other offices, SP offices, all other offices, party office also. In all the other offices.
It's a semi-automatic line.
We are here in Tura today, where the first LED assembling unit has been set up by an organization called GHE. This is, of course, a first step towards many more to come, where we are encouraging and trying to build up the ecosystem to promote clean energy and efficient energy. And the LED assembling unit that we have here will be now also replicated in other parts of the state. And we hope that this made in Meghalaya product or assembled product in Meghalaya will be used in an extensive way in different departments, houses and organizations. And I encourage everyone that they should promote by using this. It's not only for promoting the organization and the work that they're doing, but more importantly for even your personal consumption and savings. This will play a big role. And the most beautiful part is that these are products that are being assembled here in Meghalaya and are being assembled by our own local boys and girls who have been trained to make this. Almost 85 boys and girls are now involved in GHE, and with the CM Solar mission coming up, we expect that more and more of our boys and girls will be now involved in different programs like these. And we hope that in the days to come, not only the LED lights, but also the batteries and other products required for clean energy that we will be able to slowly and steadily produce and manufacture here in Meghalaya itself. So I congratulate GHE, I congratulate the entire team, I congratulate our boys and girls who are manufacturing this and assembling this, and I once again encourage all of you to use these products in a way to promote the unit, as well as to also save power and improve the efficiency at your individual houses also. Thank you very much.